Here is the Soundcore Q20i Bluetooth headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. So the first thing is we got to turn the headphones on and make sure it's in pairing mode. We'll know it's in pairing mode if the light here is blinking blue, blue, blue. So let me turn these on first, the middle button right there, the power button. Let me press and hold that for a few seconds, wait till the light turns on. Now it's on. Now I'll know that it's in pairing mode if it's blinking blue, blue, blue. Okay, now I got a solid blue light there, then it just turned off. For me, the reason is because I think I'm connected to another device. So let me go ahead and manually put this in a pairing mode. Let me first turn the headphones off, power button here. I'm going to press and hold for a few seconds and wait till it turns off. Okay, it just turned off. Now, with the headphones off, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to press and hold that power button, but I'm going to keep on holding and keep holding until it starts blinking blue, blue, blue. Okay, so power button here, ready, set, go. Press and hold, keep holding, wait, wait, still holding up. Now it's blinking blue, blue, blue. Now, while it's in pairing mode, we're going to go ahead and jump over to the iPhone here, and we're going to go to settings. Then you want to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then scroll down. Now under other devices, that little spinny thing is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, which is like 30 feet Bluetooth range. It's still in pairing mode, and it did find the Q20i right there. Let's tap on that. Voila, we're connected, ready to go. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting or any kind of issues, you can always factory reset these headphones as well. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area. By the way, this is a iPhone 17e.